morning children, welcome to my channel Computer Education 2K. As you know, in the month of November, you are going to have the semester 1 exam of 50 marks, and in semester 1 you have all these 4 topic, and on this 4 topic there will be a specimen question paper of MCQ type. Okay, so here I am with the solution of this specimen question paper for you. So before we will start, let me tell you, this question paper you will have 2 sections, section A and section B. In section A there are 6 questions. Each question is of 5 parts and each part carry 1 marks. In today's video we will be discussing section A, and in the upcoming video we will do section B. And let me tell you, whenever you will go through section A, you will see questions like true, false, give the output, find the odd one out. But before attempting this question, you should know the entire topic. The entire topic you should know before attempting this question. Okay? Don't think that this is a MCQ question, so you just put a tick. If you want to get good marks, you should prepare your syllabus, all this topic very nicely. Okay? And as far as I have seen the specimen question paper, in this specimen question paper, especially in section A, most of the question came from the first topic, revision of class 9 syllabus. So let's start solving the MCQ question paper. So question number 1, which of the following are valid comments? You know, in your syllabus there are 2 types of comments, single line comment and document comments. So this is document comment and this is single line comment. So the answer will be number 1 and number 3, part 1 and part 3. Now move on to next question, question number B. Here you have to specify the order of higher precedence to lower precedence. Okay, and you know, in Java the order is first unary operator, this one, then arithmetic operator, this one, then relational operator, this one, and at last logical operator. So the answer will be part 3. Now next question, which of the following keyword is used to create instance of a class? You know, the new keyword is used to create object of a class or instance of a class. So whenever you have created object, you can remember you have written class name object name equals to new class name. So answer is this one, new. Next question, what is the final value stored in variable x? In A you have minus 8.35. You know that math.floor gives the whole number, nearest whole number lower to its argument, smaller than its argument. So the argument is minus 8.35. So what is the smaller whole number? That is minus 9. And if you put minus 9 in ABS, then you will get 9.0. And you know that floor functions return double type value, so it is 9.0. Now next question, name the type of error in the statement given below. Now you can see in this line there is no error as such when you see, but you know you cannot divide a number by 0. So whenever you will run this type of statement in your program, so while running the program will stop. So it is runtime error. Next question. Question number 2. Fill the blanks. Number A. The dash allows a class to use the properties and methods of another class. You know, inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to use the properties and method of another class. Okay. Now let's see next question. The number of bytes occupied by character data type is that byte. Now before solving this question, here I would like to tell you that you have to learn the number of bytes occupied by each primitive data type. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to attempt this type of question. And here it will be 2. Answer is part 3, 2. Next question. Part C. The dash is called instance of a class. Now you all know object is called instance of a class. So this part 1 is the answer. Next question. The dash are keywords which has special meaning. You know, keywords. Sorry, the dash are the words which have special meaning. The answer is keyword. Next question. Method that accept a string without any space is. Now you know, in string there are two type of method for accepting or for entering string, that is next and next line. Now using next line you can input a string with space, and using next function you can enter a string without space. Okay, so the answer is next without space. You can accept a string without space. Now question number is finished. Now move on to next question. Question number 3. Name the following. The wrapper class to which the method parseInt belongs to. Now those who have done input stream reader, they know this command. Okay, this parseInt for parsing the integer type of value. So the answer is integer. Next question. Intermediate codes often after compilation. Now you know, when you write any program in your computer, that writing part that is called code or source code. Okay, now when you compile the source code, okay, that means you are giving the source code to compiler. Okay, and then compiler will convert this source code to byte code. Okay, byte code, and then this byte code will again be given to interpreter, and the interpreter will convert this byte code to object code. So source code, okay, source code, then you are giving source code to compiler, then it is becoming byte code, and then byte code you are giving this byte code to interpreter, and then interpreter converting this byte code to object code. So obviously you are giving the source code to compiler, and compiler is making it byte code. So the answer will be byte code. Next question, question number C. The method with the same name as the class and which does not have a return data type is called as. Now this one everybody knows, constructor. Constructor has the same name as the class name and it does not return any data type. Next question. The statement to stop the execution of a construct. Now you know here you have system.exit 0, break and stop. Now this stop function, this stop keyword is not there in Java. You have exit 0 and you have break in Java. Now this exit 0 is used to stop or used to close the whole program, but this break statement is used to stop the execution of a construct. What type of construct? If construct, for construct, while construct. So the answer is B, break. Next question. Invoking a function by passing the object of a class is termed as call by reference. Okay. You know that primitive values are passed by primitive data type. Primitive data type are passed by values, but object are passed by reference. Next question, question number 4. Now in this question you have to say true or false. You have to write true or false. Number A. Byte is a non-primitive data type. Byte is a non-primitive data type. Now we all know this is false because byte is a primitive data type. And you know the non-primitive data types are class, object and array. Next question. Question number B. Obviously this is also false. Number C. Scope of local variable is within a class. True or false? Now you know the local variables belongs to a method or object. A local variable always belongs to a method or functions. A local variable belongs to a method or function. Okay, but it is saying here local variable is within a class. So this is false because local variable belongs to a function or method. The default statement is an optional in switch case. Yes, the default statement is optional. This one is true. Next, the assignment operator equals to is left associative. Now this is false because you know, suppose you are writing like this, P equals to say 10 plus 10. Okay. So what you can see, this 10 plus 10, 20 will be assigned to P from right to left. From right to left. This 20 will be assigned to P from right to left. So this equal sign is right associative. Okay, so this is false. Next question, question number 5. Choose the odd one out. Now here you have to find out one option which is not matching with the remaining 3 options. Okay, so you can see here encapsulation, data abstraction, portable, polymorphism. Obviously portable is not matching with other 3 options. So the answer is 3. Next question. Here it will be number 3 again, because you can see this is a logical operator, but others 3, this one and this one are relational operators. So this one is the answer. Next question. Return, break, continue and system.exit. So you know return, break and continue, these 3 are the jump statement. These 3 are the jump statement used in Java. So this one is the answer. Next question. INT double character string. INT double character, these are the primitive data type, but string is a class. So the answer is this one. This is the odd one out of 4. Next question. Plus, modulus, forward slash, and or sign. So this plus, or, and modulus sign, this plus, then modulus and the slash, they are arithmetic operators, but this one is the relational operator. So this is the answer, number 4. Okay. Now next question is, now this question is based on prefixed and postfix. Okay, children. So whenever you will solve this, now how to solve this? See, you will write like this. X plus equals to means x equals to x plus, and then you have to give a bracket and you have to write the full things, means x plus plus, then plus x plus minus x plus x, and if you put the value, okay, let me check once, x plus x plus x plus minus x plus x, and if you put the value of x, so it will be 5 here, okay, then again it will be 5 here, and then you will write 5, but in mind it will become 6. So, and this is the prefix, so 6, and this will become 7, okay, and x has become 7, then again plus, now it will decrease the value of x, that will be 6, now x has become 6, then again 6, so it will be altogether 29. So answer is 29. Next question. If a greater than b, system.out.println a plus b. System.out.println a asterisk b when a equals to 5, b equals to 7. Now if this condition is true, then computer will execute this line. Otherwise, the computer will execute this line. Now, what is the value of a? A is 5, b is 7. 5 greater than 7, the condition is false. As the condition is false, the line just after if will not be executed, because this condition is false. So computer will execute this line and it will say 5 into 7, 35. Move on to next question. String x equals to a greater than 90 question mark excellent colon best when a equals to 90. Now this is ternary operator and this is the substitute of if else. Now here also, if this condition is true, then computer will give the value just after ternary operator. If the condition is false, the computer will give the value after colon. Okay, here the condition is true. A is 90, 90 greater than equals to 90. Yes, 90 is equals to 90. So computer will give this statement. So number 2 is the answer. Next question. Here you can see in this question, the value of x is given a. But Java is case sensitive, means it treats the uppercase letters and lowercase letters differently. So you can see there is no capital A A here. In case A, case B, case C, there is no capital A here. So obviously none of this case will match. So computer will execute the default part, the default statement, and will say success. So answer will be number 3, success. Okay. Number 3. Next question. N equals to 1000 while n greater than 100, n equals to n by 10. System dot out dot println n, how many times the loop is executed and what is the output? What is the output? Now let's do this one. So here the option will be number 3. Okay, the loop is executed 2 times and the output is 10. Because see, first time the value of n is what? 1000. So 1000 greater than 10, yes, condition is true. Then n will become how much? 1000 by 10. 1000 by 10, so it will be 100. So this is first time. Okay, now n is becoming 100. Now 100 greater than 10, yes, condition is true. Again n will become 100 by 10. This is second step. In this step n will become 10. This is second step. N will become 10. So now again it is a loop. No, it is a loop that it will go until the condition is, it will go on until the condition is true. Now n is 10, so 10 greater than 10, now condition is false. Now this line will not execute anymore. So you can see at last the value of n is 10 and it has run 2 times. So the answer is last one, the loop is executed 2 times and the output is 10. Okay children, so in this section, in this part, in this video we have discussed section A. In our next video we will see the section B of 20 marks. Right children, I hope all of you have done all these questions correctly, has marked all these questions correctly. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video.